a beautiful Arabic dish called Walima. We have lamb shoulder. We add butternut, squash, garlic and onions, cinnamon, bay leaves, black cardamom and MSG salt. We add the water and close it. Then take it to the oven at 450 Fahrenheit for 6 hours. Bell peppers on the baking sheet with garlic and some olive oil. Take it to the oven at 360 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Add them to the food processor with some olive oil. Mix, then to the strainer, then to the pan with MSG salt and red pepper powder, 2 small spoons of cornstarch and cold water. We add it to the mixture and we keep mixing until we get this texture. When the lamb is ready, we take washed basmati rice with cinnamon, bay leaves, salt and butter. We add the lamb broth and cook it. We add our pill mixture to the lamb and we broil it. Say Bismillah and enjoy it.